Welcome back to Explain CAD. In previous video, we know about how to compare features of two plates. In this video, we will know how to generate report and save the report of compare features. For that, I click here on this save icon. Type here name of the report. I enter R1. Browse the location where you want to save the report. I select my files. Select folder. Add report to design binder. Click here. Options. You can change the units from here. Angular units from here. Features. Only current view, or you can also select more views. I add isometric view, add, OK, apply, OK. Now select save. The report is generated in reference part, in modified part, unique features, modified features, identical feature. These are number of the features. Unique features, feature type, whole wizard. In reference part, countersunk M5 flathead screw, but in modified part, diameter 10 mm hole. Feature type fillet 1. See here, in reference part it is 10 mm, but in modified part it is 15 mm. Red color shows the unique features. Yellow color shows the modified features. See in front view, this is modified feature. This is the unique features. Isometric view of this plate. This is diametric view. This is trimetric view. This file is saved into that folder, which I select for saving. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.